Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a bonus reading for you. This reading is a little different from my other reads because over here I will be looking towards your energies which you are manifesting towards you. You know, those energies which you are just only your energies. Then second thing I'll be looking at will be the energies surrounded by you, surrounded by someone else or some situation around you. And the third, I will look at the outcome or the final outcome, whichever will be with regards with that person or that situation. All right, so let's get started with your reading now. This is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. All right, now for my Aquarius, okay, so your energies are Page of Rods, the Star, and Ten of Pentacles. So this is you, your energy, the Star, Aquarius sign. So you know, a hope, a wish I see over here, that there is some kind of stability which you want. So that is what you are manifesting. You always want money. That is obviously everyone wants money, but with that you want stability. You want everything to be done, you know, with the everything, whatever you are manifesting, it should be proper, it should be sorted, it should be no problems, nothing, okay, no mistakes. So that is what you want. The person or the situation you are dealing with, the energies are the Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, and Knight of Swords. So something is going really fast over here, and might be there is some kind of karmic imbalance with someone. So that is why it's coming to an end, because I see the Hermit, you know, after this Knight of Swords, this Hermit. So I really feel that this is something with regards, like there was some kind of a fight, so that is now coming to a silent treatment mode, or just it's coming to an end, and you are just getting, you know, let's sort out the situation, whatever this is. We shouldn't make it too long. That is something. The final outcome is Seven of Wands, the Lovers, and the Chariot. Yeah, so I really feel that you are moving towards something very, very, where you find that it will be with so much of you will find a lot of success over here with this Chariot. I really feel that you are feeling that, you know, you should just move towards now, whatever this is. You will just be happy, whatever decision you will take, you will be happy with it. That is why you are moving towards it, and it will give you a lot of happiness because you are thinking and you have taken a stand on this as well. So that is why it's giving you a lot of happiness, which you are feeling that happiness from within. Okay, so might be a Cancer, Gemini you are dealing with, might be a person born in Gemini, Cancer cusp, around that, which will be having both both signs in their chart, something like that. Yeah, okay, might be a Virgo as well. So yeah, Gemini, Cancer, Virgo. Okay, let's clarify now. Let's see what is this Page of Rods here. Seven of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Four of Pentacles. Are you dealing with a page, or are you something? You have entered into some kind of, I feel that new start is there. Something you were waiting for, and there is something, a new love connection, might be a new relationship, a new business, a new hobby which you are making it your business. That is what you are wanting, and you have a very interesting different kind of an energy over here. It is because you want a lot of money, but still you are not ready to invest any of your money. You want that, okay, I will, how come if I'll put 1 rupee and I will get 1 lakh in return? So that the things doesn't happen that way. All right, so you are waiting, but still you are holding on. You want this, Ten of Pentacles, but you want with this, you are just holding on. See how this person is just over there holding all the coins and still waiting for the coins to return them. I won't judge you. Well, we'll see. What is the Star? Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the Magician. Yeah, you are manifesting a lot, my dear Aquarius. It's about, you have some trick, you have something in your sleeve. Might be someone you are dealing with has a lot of money with him or her, and that is why you are just playing some kind of a trick, and you want to gain all that money, and you want all that money to be yours, and you don't want to invest any, but you are okay. Something is there, something fishy is there. Yeah, let's clarify the person or the things situated around you, those energies. Let's clarify the Hermit. Seven of Cups, Ten of Cups, and Strength. Yeah, this person with whom you are dealing with, I really feel that this person is someone who has a lot of strength, a lot of happiness he or she sees in you. But you on the other side, I don't know why, I just did Gemini as well, and you're the person whom I'm reading, your energies are coming to be very, playing magic tricks and being so much sneaky kind of energies. And the other person, they are good. So cross watchers, congratulations to you. You are really being good over here. You are the person who loves this Aquarius more. Okay, so you know that this person with whom you are dealing with has a lot of options other than you, but still they have chosen you because they find the love in you, or the situation, whichever whom you are dealing with. They have a lot of, if you are going for a business or something, they have a lot of places where they can invest, but still they're investing on you because they find you more stable and giving them more in return. So that is good, whatever with whomsoever you are dealing with. Let's clarify Knight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and Eight of Wands. Yeah, this person is independent. This person has a very beautiful idea on his or her mind, and they are ready to take an action with regards with Pentacles, because I see a lot of Pentacles in your reading. And it is, for some people, it is definitely for because of some business or something you are dealing with. You want that success, you want to be prosper, and prosperous, and that is why you are taking this decision. You are going towards this such kind of an offer, because this offer has come to you and you have accepted that offer, and now you are ready to deal with it. You are ready to get a lot of money. Whatever your wishes, that wishes are coming true with this offer. Okay, so let's clarify the Lovers. Seven of Swords, the Tower, and Six of Cups. So this might be a person from the past for some people you are dealing with. Someone has come and has offered you a cup, but there's someone who is being sneaky. Is it you, Aquarius? You are being very sneaky. So this person is offering you the cup of love and you are being sneaky over here. You are just leaving, taking that cup, you are leaving. See, and by leaving you are making a lot of problems. Okay, so this is the outcome. It might be the other person as well, but I don't know why I'm feeling for you. So you want something, but you want it for yourself. There's a lot of me in your situation. Okay, let's clarify the Chariot. Knight of Swords, Four of Swords, and Eight of Cups. Yes, definitely someone is there who is going to leave this situation with the Eight of Cups as well, and the Chariot. So leaving for your betterment. That is what. A lot of healing is there, and this is going to be to happen really fast. So whatever this outcome is, whosoever is going to do this, it's going to be really fast, and a lot of planning has been done with regards with this, and this person is just looking towards his or her betterment, and that is why this person, you, or might be the situation with whom you are dealing with, the person with whom you are dealing with, there's something, one person is very sneaky over here, and he or she is ready to move away after taking all the profits. Okay, so that is what I'm looking towards here. Let's look at the messages from the universe now. Eight of Cups, the Magician, and Hierophant. Yeah, so for some people it is a marriage as well. So the universe is telling you that be ready. If you are ready to walk away, be ready for that. If it's not you, just stay alert. Okay, and whosoever is leaving has a lot of magic tricks in their hand, and it's all, might be for some people it is a marriage thing as well. So you have married this person and you want a lot of money from this person. That is why you will just leave this person taking all the money. So might be this kind of a situation is also here, right, which I feel. Alright, so that's all from my side, Aquarius. If you really like this reading, just give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.